So welcome back friends. Today I am sitting in my desktop and today is the expiry day. So I wanted you to teach something on the options and how exactly you can trade the expiry day and how exactly you can trade the index futures or options on the expiry day. Because guys, I have seen that expiry day is the easiest day to trade because all the contracts, those are still open, the operators will try to take them to the important levels. Now guys, whenever I started trading, I found that trading the expiry is very tedious and it is very difficult. Now guys, as and when I learned the options data analysis, I have found that trading the expiry day is the easiest job. So in this video guys, I'll show you how you can combine options data analysis along with important candlesticks patterns. So let me take you to the subject directly, but before that, if you are not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, please hit the subscribe button first. So guys, this is my Excel sheet. I do pull data in this Excel and here you can see I do plot the data every 15 minutes. So as in the Excel, I can see Nifty is on the buy side as per the data and we can see Bank Nifty is on the sell side as per the data. Now in between we have also got strong sell in the Bank Nifty. So this is as per the data speaks. And guys, if you do not know how to analyze this data, I have already made videos previously. So I'll leave the link of these videos in this video description. So from there, you can watch my previous videos first. Now guys, the same thing, if you are do not having this Excel, because this Excel is quite difficult to make, you need proper programming knowledge to build this kind of Excel. So let me make the job simpler for you. You can come down to my website, that is stockmaniacs.net. Here in the home page there is a market section. Just put your mouse on the market. There is a open interest section. Just put your mouse on the open interest and you can find Nifty open interest and Bank Nifty open interest. If you open the Nifty open interest page, the page is loading. You can see, if you scroll down, the same data that you are seeing in my Excel, the same data you can get here. So every 15 minutes new data will come. As in my Excel, every 15 minutes new data will come. Here also every 15 minutes new data will come. You just need to refresh the page time to time to see the addition in the data. You can see whole day Nifty is on the buy mode and there is also a VWAP signal. So VWAP signal is on the sell mode. And if you go to the Bank Nifty, so market open interest, Bank Nifty open interest, you can see the same data of Bank Nifty is there. And today we will be preferring to look after Bank Nifty. Why Bank Nifty? Because twice today actually Bank Nifty has moved to the strong sell zone. You can see first at 12:30 it has moved to strong sell, then at 14:01, 1 minute past 2 p.m. it has moved to strong sell zone. So that means today we will be looking to Bank Nifty rather than Nifty, because Nifty we have already seen that the data signal was buy, the VWAP signal was sell, so the data was actually confronting. So later we decided to go to Bank Nifty, because here in Bank Nifty since the whole day there was a sell signal and you can see the VWAP signal was also sell since 12 p.m. Now guys, let us go to the chart. So as I have already told you, whenever you are getting a sell signal in the data, you need to wait for a bounce to sell. So the best position to short sell is the VWP area or closer to the important moving average. Here I have 20 period moving average. So this is the VWP. The green color line is VWP and the red color line is the 21 period moving average. So here we are getting strong sell since 12 o'clock. So this is the 12 o'clock candle. Now we will be waiting for a bounce. As in my previous videos also I have told, whenever you are getting a data signal, you need to wait for a bounce or a rally to enter. So here you can see once you got a strong sell, market is coming down, coming down, coming down. Then there is a small consolidation. You can get, there is a small consolidation and then there is a sudden up move. You can see there is a sudden up move. This is a big volume, big body bar. So the rookie traders who are the newbies, they will think that the market will actually move up now. And you guys can see this has actually touched the VWP and see the next red candle. So this was a big body, big volume bar and this was a small down bar. And the small down bar has been engulfed by the previous candle. So you can see the whole body of the small down bar has been engulfed by the previous candle. So this is called the Harami candlestick pattern. You can see this is the Harami candlestick pattern. My trading view indicator is also pointing there is a Harami. So you can see once the low of the Harami has broken, the market has fallen a lot. So you can see the low of the Harami was at, let us find the low, it was 35,724 and from there within 1, 2, 3 candles you can see the next low, that was 35,500. So 724 to 502. So there was a fall of 220 points in only 3 candles. So this is a 5 minutes time frame candles. So within only 15 minutes, once the low of the Harami got broken, you got a fall that was of 220 points. We knew that the market is weak because we got the data signals as sell. So we are not going to buy this market, we are not going to buy this bank nifty, rather we will wait for the sell signal. We got a sell signal, just the VWAP is tested and then it was rejected by the Harami candle. So once the low of the Harami candle got broken, we got a good short selling opportunity. So you can play with the target. If you are selling below the low of the Harami, you can actually take a stop loss above the high of the last bar and you can put a double target or 1:1.5 target. So 1:2 target or 1:1.5 target. So whatever target you have taken, the same target has been met over here. So this is how you can enter in a rally. So you got the market in sell mode. Now you will be waiting for a rally. You got a nice testing of VWAP, then a nice Harami candle and then you can enter your trade. So this is how you can actually combine options data with important candlesticks patterns, and Harami is one of the most important candlestick patterns to trade intraday. So now guys, I feel that you are now liking my options data signals, and if you want to take the data signals directly in your Telegram, just here in this page you can see get these signals in Telegram. If you click here, you can go to my automated trading signals Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel. So the same data that you are getting over here, the same data, they will come to this Telegram channel every 15 minutes. So you can get these data signals without even logging into my website. So in this Telegram channel, this data is available. You can see new bank nifty options data generated at 24/3/2022. Today is 24th of March 2022. The last data signal was generated at 15:01. The call change of open interest was 711552 and the put change of open interest was 267277. So the change of open interest difference is minus 444275. So more than 4,44,275. Those are the difference in the call side. So as call side is more, put side is less, people are buying more calls, we will actually go against the people. So as they are buying more calls, we will be buying puts, or rather we will be short selling the future. So data signal is sell. People are buying calls, so our data signal is sell. The put call ratio value, you will also get it here. The futures last traded price, you will get it here, and the VWAP last price, you will get it here. So as the futures LTP is below the VWAP signal is also sell. So the same data signals you can get on the Telegram channel, and you can open your favorite chart and you can actually find for important candlestick patterns in your favorite chart. So this is TradingView chart. I have already made videos on what are my favorite TradingView indicators. You can watch those videos. I am giving the link in this video description. And if you do not have any other charts, I will suggest you to open the account in Zerodha. Here these type of charts are also available in Zerodha. You will get all the indicators like VWAP. You can get other indicators like the overbought oversold indicators. All available indicators are there on Zerodha. So if you are not having any other charts, just open up an account in Zerodha and get Zerodha Kite and trade with the Zerodha Kite charts. So I'll be giving you the link to join Zerodha in this video description. So from there you can open an account in Zerodha and you can get Zerodha Kite charts. So guys, that's all about today's session on how to combine the options data signals along with the VWAP signals and the important candlesticks. So if you have liked this video, just hit the like button and also share it maximum, because if you share, it can reach your friends or relatives who are actually want to trade the stock markets. And guys, if you are not yet subscribed to me in YouTube, I suggest you to just hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you can get my next video updates instantly. So guys, if you have liked this video, once again just hit the like button, and till I come up with a new video, till then, bye bye.